The Momentum Vida E Plus is a powerful and practical electric bicycle designed for efficient urban commuting and everyday riding. It features a 500-watt Syncodrive Move S motor that delivers up to 60 Nm of torque, providing strong acceleration and smooth performance, especially when climbing steep hills or navigating busy city streets. The bike intelligently adapts to the rider's pedaling input and offers pedal assistance up to 28 miles per hour, while an optional throttle can provide additional riding convenience. Powering the system is a dependable 48-volt EnergyPack 700 battery with a 14 Ah capacity, ensuring long-lasting performance for daily commutes and extended rides. The low-step Lux aluminum frame improves accessibility by making mounting and dismounting easier for riders of all experience levels. Comfort is enhanced by an 80mm suspension fork that absorbs shocks and vibrations from uneven roads and rough urban terrain. For safety and reliable stopping power, the bike comes equipped with 4-piston hydraulic disc brakes that deliver strong and responsive braking in various weather conditions. Riders also benefit from the Ride Control Core LCD Bluetooth display, which provides essential ride information and enhances control while allowing connectivity features. Combining power, comfort, safety, and advanced technology, the Momentum Vida E Plus stands out as a versatile and highly capable e-bike that is well suited for modern city transportation and daily commuting needs.